Hey, it's Christy with Create with Christy. This video is going to be about how to use layers in the program Procreate.
Welcome back. We've talked about the color wheel. Now we're going to talk about this button here. This is a layers button, okay? You'll see it says background color and layer 1. We're going to change the background color right now. So we'll click background and notice real quick, when something is blue, that's the layer you're working on. Okay, so now we're going to hit our layer, we're going to hit background, and then we're going to pick the color we want for the background. Okay, so we're going to pick this blue. Okay, so now when we click here, it says layer 1. We can write on layer 1. And then if you look back, you can see it's in this box. And the whole thing's highlighted blue. So that means it's active. That's what we're working on in. Now if I click this, see that check mark? That means it's showing up. If I want to make it a secret, I'm going to click on it. And it's gone from here, but it's not erased. It's just in a secret spot. You want it to come back out? There it is. And now it's gone. What if I don't want it ever again? Because after so many layers, you run out of layers. So if you'll never use that again, you slide it over and you can clear it, duplicate it, lock it. So we're going to clear it. For layer 1, we've got this image. Let's do a layer 2. So we're going to add layer 2. We're going to change the color, and then we're going to write something. Okay. Later you'll learn lots of shortcuts to do some of these things. I'm just doing the basics for you. Okay. There we go. We have 2 layers. See how that one is underneath this one? But we wrote that one first. Okay. Which one do we want to be on top? If we want the heart to be underneath this line, we'll take this layer, hold it, and slide it down. So now the heart is underneath that line. What if I want the heart completely underneath here? I'm going to take this arrow right here, and I'm going to slide it over. Okay, so there I have that. What if I want that squiggly to be inside of the heart? I'm going to click on the squiggly because that's what I want to change. I click on this arrow because that means move it or manipulate it. And I'm just going to make this box smaller. Just like that. Just like that. Right now, let's do a layer 3. This layer 3 is on top. I'm going to draw an arrow through the heart, but it's going to be on top. But I don't want it on top. I want it underneath. So, what will I do? Will I pull it down 1 layer? Still not under the heart, right? So I'm going to pull it down another layer, and now it's under the heart.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll know you want to see more fun video tips like this one.